What's going on, guys? On today's video we got quite a few crashes, of course some really bad drivers, and some really crazy close calls. So let's check it out. Damn, this is one of the closest calls I've ever seen. This rider is definitely lucky to be alive.
Oh, good.
This rider was going down the highway when suddenly he notices a spider crawling around inside his helmet.
I don't lane split, but it's just too unpredictable on the motorist. But not. Good.
Luckily, he kept it cool. I feel like a lot of people would have crashed, seeing a spider crawling around on their face.
Bakit? Ano? Ay! Ano nangyari? Bakit? Sir, bakit? Naka-red light po tayo. Bakit naubos yung prenos, kuya?
Great. At least we got it on video, boys. Yo, what the fuck happened?
The guy in the cage cam popped off.
You know the kid on the 125 that was back there?
Yeah.
He says you cut him off and he crashed.
You can see it on your boy's camera, bro. I pulled up, like, I was coming out of a trail like this, and I pulled up and I stopped right at the edge of it. And he saw me and he fucking jittered and shit. You can see it on your boy's camera.
Alright, I was just making sure. I wanted, yeah.
Dude, I didn't cut him off because I knew people were going up and down.
I know that you wouldn't have done it on purpose, but I know that shit happens.
I know, but I didn't even come out in front of him. Like, I stopped at the edge of the trail. I wasn't even on the road. And then, the one who was on the pole, is that your boy?
Yeah. Let's see some work.
Fucking stop sign. Doing? Come on. What the f. What the f are you doing? You don't like me passing you, so you speed up. What up? What up? We got an issue? Huh? We got an issue? We got an issue? Huh? We got an issue? Ah, look at that asshole, man. Riding his high beams on me. Yeah, fuck that fucking donkey, man.
Alright, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like the video, and we will catch you guys next time. Peace out. This e-biker had his headlight on, but the driver decided to do this anyway. Biker was extremely lucky that no cars were coming from the other lane. Rider was going through a parking lot. The one thing he didn't see is the black ice on the road.
Get him up, get him up. Oh, no, leave him. Don't touch 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 him.
Call police.
I'm calling.
Calling?
Yeah.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Leave his head.
Get away. There's gas. There's gas. Get behind this.
Leaking from his bike. Leave.
This accident happened so quick there was no way for the biker to avoid it, and it's hard to believe that the driver did not see the rider. Somehow the biker escaped with only a small ankle fracture.
Because right now I can't record at night because I'm gonna lose my license, you know? I almost lost my license.
I guess some people just really hate bikers. This rider didn't do anything to this lady, and she was still angry enough to chase him down and pull him over.
Just riding.
Mr. Big Dad on your motorcycle.
I'm sorry I scared you. I'm sorry. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Jesus. Am I good to go through?
Now this rider had a really close call. Was it due to the high speed, or was the driver not paying attention when switching lanes? Or maybe a bit of both. What do you guys think? And that was it for today's chaos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.